Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our car wash family. Car washes are actually a pretty important component of your routine maintenance, and choosing the right one can get a little confusing. I'm going to explain to you how to choose between all of our car washes and which one is right for you in your particular application. First up is our traditional soap and water car washes. Super concentrated car wash is one of our original formulas. It is an incredibly high lubricant-based formula that is hydrophilic, so it leaves nothing behind on the paint finish. It is incredibly safe for any wax finishes that may be on your car, and is for moderately to heavily dirty cars. That super concentrated formula goes a very long way, so you end up using very little soap with your water mix. Next up is our concentrated wash and wax. Wash and wax is just that. It is a very light lubricant-based car wash solution with added carnauba wax. This is great for people that don't have enough time to apply a traditional wax job after washing their car. So you're getting the best of both worlds, adding a little bit of carnauba protection with your routine washes. The last of our traditional washes is Brilliant Finish Car Wash. This product actually splits the difference between these two other traditional washes in that it has brightness enhancers that affect the finish in a positive way. It is a lower concentration, however higher sudsing formula, which makes it ideal for pressure washer application or foam gun application. Next up are our alternative washing methods. Rinseless wash and wax is great for light to moderately dirty cars. It uses about 60 gallons less water per washing process. It is an incredibly high lubricant-based formula combined with a carnauba wax, so you get a very nice washing method combined with the protection of a wax. It's ideal for professional detailers, washing your car in the comfort of your garage in inclement weather, or for any situation where you just have limited access to a hose, such as an apartment complex or condo complex. Last up is our spray-on car wash. This is a true waterless washing method for lightly dirty cars. If you don't have any access to water in a scenario such as a road trip, or you've just taken a drive, you're parking the car back in the garage, and you don't want to take out the hose and bucket, this is the product for the job. Simply spray it on all of your exterior surfaces, allow it to dwell, and wipe it dry. It's really that easy. Thank you for watching. For more information on any of our family of car wash products, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.
Easiest things a car owner can do to protect his or her investment is a weekly car wash at home using high quality products. Here I'll be using Mother's California Gold Car Wash. Now keep the dish soap in the kitchen. It will remove your wax. You're also going to need a bucket, a wash mitt, and some soft microfiber or terry cloth drying towels. It's always a good idea to use a spray nozzle to conserve water. Try not to wash the car in the hot sun. Wash the wheels and tires first using a quality wheel and tire cleaner. With a clean bucket of suds and the wash mitt ready, give the car a quick spray from top to bottom to loosen light soil. Then, with the wash mitt dipped into the suds, start washing from the top of the vehicle down, because the lower portions of the car are usually the dirtiest. Don't let any water dry on the surface as you wash. Spray surplus water onto the vehicle after you attend to every couple of body panels to avoid water spotting. Once complete, rinse the entire vehicle again to ensure that all soap has been removed. Dry the vehicle as soon as you finish washing it, and be sure to use soft microfiber or cotton towels to avoid scratching. When drying, start with the glass because a dry towel works best there. When the exterior is complete, open the doors in the trunk and wipe the jams and crevices clean and dry.
Now, Citrus Washing Gloss is an ultra-premium, citrus-based hyperwash designed to remove dirt and debris from any type of vehicle while giving a high gloss shine. Citrus Washing Gloss is a brand new formula. It's one of our most popular shampoos, and we took our most popular formula, redesigned it, gave it more shine, more cleaning power, and better performance. So to use Citrus Washing Gloss, you first want to shake it up. Then you're going to want to add 1 to 2 ounces to your wash bucket. So we got 1 ounce there, and we got 2 ounces, so we got a nice wash bucket ready to go. Now once you have your wash bucket all set up, you're going to want to take your hose and make those beautiful suds that the chemicalized soap is famous for. There we go. Now Citrus Washing Gloss creates beautiful suds. We got a nice thick suds, and we can go ahead and wash our RTR Mustang quickly and easily. And if you notice, the suds is all over the ground because the suds are going to pull off all the dirt with the cleaning power of citrus.